Hi everyone, I'm going to cook today linguine pesto pasta. I have pesto here, of course, and I'm going to use smoked bacon, that's turkey, and then, onion, garlic, and sweet bell pepper. And also I'm going to add spinach. So let's start it. Also, instead of using butter, I'm going to use coconut oil. Okay everyone, I have a boiling water here. Started boiling already, and we are going to heat up our pan. Add coconut oil. And add the smoked bacon. And we just have to let that crispy. So now we are going to cook bacon. Okay everyone, I'm just gonna put this to crispy and we'll dip. Add garlic. Just let the garlic to be a little bit brownish. The pasta is cooking there, and our bacon is brown now, and the garlic also. Add onion and the bell pepper. Add bell pepper. And add salt. I add 2 pinches of salt. And then we cook. Pesto here, the pesto sauce. it's ready. And we just turn it off and then let the pasta cook. Then we are going to mix it later. Okay everyone, I put a little bit of water from the pasta, and then the pasta I drained it already. And now we are going to put 1 egg in the pasta. Now it's all mixed already. We are going to put the pasta a little bit, like half of this. Then here we go. Let's serve our pasta. And then use Parmesan cheese and put on the top. And here's our linguine pesto pasta. Hope you like it guys. See you again. Bye.